welcome back, guys, to Fly is Bassing. Hope everybody is doing good and looking fly. Just wanted to thanks everyone for tuning in and checking out this video. This place is one of my favorite places. I don't have a whole lot of time, so I'm gonna fish it the best we can. It is still spring technically. It is May, so these beds should be probably close to spawning. We're hoping to see if we could get some of those pre-spawners and get them nice and fat and healthy, and see if we could get a big one. So I hope everybody's doing good. I'll catch you guys out on the water. All right, we're out on the water on the other side. We always like to cast. Let's try that again. We always like to cast on this island over here. It always has fish over here. I usually start getting them in between the two islands over there, but there's fish here sometimes. The wind is not bad right now. There is a little wind. Fish on. Oh! Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. That was a fish. That was the fish. Wow. That was the fish right there that we needed. That was the fish that we were talking about in the intro. A fatty. No! Oh my god. Oh yeah, oh guys. Another one. It's not a bad one. I knew there had to be one over here in this corner. Come here, baby. It's a fat one. Oh yeah. Let's go. Yeah. There we go. Look at this fat one. Nice little butterball. Nice little butterball, guys. Nice little fish. Alright, so we changed the hook and we landed the fish. So that means we did the right thing. Oh my god, there's a bass over there on the bed. Watch. Yep. another one right there, too. Look at this fish, beautiful. They're literally batting right there. I'm gonna take that shot again. She might, if she's on a bed, she might bite again. Oh, a small fish though. Let's go! First frogfish of the year! Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go! Look at that hook set. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is exactly what we were going for. Swallowed it. It's like a swamp back here. Oh yeah! Oh! Guys, what the heck? They're back here. Jesus.